What's up, everybody? This is Lyle with No Hippie Barbecue. What I'm gonna be doing today is gonna be some cream of mushroom soup. This recipe is in collaboration with Kendall over at Head Chef Mom, Kendall Lawrence. I'm gonna leave a link to her channel in the iCard above and description below. Anyway, we came up with the idea just to surprise each other, see what kind of a soup recipe we would come up with. So, cream of mushroom soup's what I came up with. Not sure what she came up with. But as soon as I know, I'm gonna leave it in the iCard above and description below. Anyway, the reason I came up with this cream of mushroom soup was I had some mushrooms left over from a previous recipe, and I'm kind of craving it anyway. So it's a very simple recipe, something easy to throw together on a lazy Sunday afternoon. Anyway, I will put the recipe and ingredients in the description below. Let's get started. First off, I have some butter that's melted in a skillet. And I have it on about a medium heat. I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions to it. Our mushrooms. And our garlic. Now the reason I'm adding the garlic now is we aren't gonna be cooking this too hot, so we don't have to worry about scorching the garlic or anything like that. Basically what I wanna do is cook this down until everything is really soft, and I don't mind if it takes a little while to do that. Now that we have our mushrooms wilted and our onions are kind of translucent, we're going to go ahead and add our flour in. And I'm going to stir this in, and I'm going to let this go for about another 2 minutes or so, just to cook out that flour taste. Now that that's gone a couple minutes, I'm going to go ahead and throw in some rosemary. And then we have some chicken stock as well. And our last ingredient is going to be whole milk. Now you could go with the cream or even an evaporated milk on this. I'm just going to be eyeballing this. We're looking for about a cup. Now, if this gets a little thick on you, feel free to go ahead and add some more milk, and you can adjust this thickness to suit your needs. I'm going to let this simmer for about 15 minutes. So after letting this simmer, looks like I have the consistency I want. I did take a taste of it. We're good on salt, but I'm going to go ahead and hit it with a little bit of pepper. And then once I'm done with this, we're just going to go ahead and plate it up. Alright, so this is a wrap. You have any idea what this is?
Looks like a mushroom soup a little bit.
Alright, well there you go. Homemade mushroom soup. For all you Queen fans out there, I'm here with Hetty Mercury. We're going to go ahead and get into this, see what's up.
Got good flavor to it. Nice and creamy. And the mushrooms are real nice.
I'm telling you, you do not miss that heavy cream or evaporated milk in this. As far as I'm concerned, that rosemary was kind of an add-on that I just kind of threw in. It wasn't part of a recipe or anything like that that I would normally follow, but old Mason here made a little salmon recipe a few days ago and had some leftover rosemary, so I rocked that out on this, and I'm gonna highly recommend that. Anyway, if you guys haven't gone over and checked out Kendall Lawrence, Head Chef Mom, like I said, links in the iCard above, description below. Run over there, show some love, tell her No Hippie Barbecue said, what's up? Anyway, thanks for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. I appreciate it. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.